Alright, so my dear friends and family, hope that things are fine and having really good time. Alhamdulillah, I'm having great time. So most of the time I get the same question. This is the natural and common questions we are getting every day. It is very common question and we are facing the problem every day. Most of the beginner I have seen, they always looking for new friends to meet and to chat and to practice English. You know, a friend can change your life and a friend can destroy your life. So decision is yours. You have to be careful to choose friend. Dear brothers, I never force you. I just show what is the right way, what is the wrong way. And what should you do? What can you do, dear brothers and sisters? You can choose bad friend, you can choose good friend. Decision is yours. It's up to you. I never can force you. So this is the thing, I try to understand you, so I hope you got my point. And let's dive in another things. It's so important. So how I did practice English. Dear brothers and sisters, you know very well, I didn't make any conversation with someone, with my friends. You know very well I have no friend circle. I'm only one and I have learned English by myself. No one can teach me, no one can motivate me. Only I am who can motivate myself, who can change myself. So I am only one. So if you want, you can learn English by yourself. Brother, you have to take your own responsibility. And then the thing is, those type of things I'm discussing right now, so it's not going to relate to English learning, but it is so important. It is so necessary to learn your English journey. Not only English journey, but also other journey. So you can follow these things. This might be helpful for you. So dear brothers and sisters, we are learning so many things, but we do not practice English as much as we need. What is the problem? What is the problem we are facing every day? We want to learn each and everything in one day, in 1 hour, in a short time. As a result, you fall in danger. You fall in frustration. You fall in disappointed. This is the thing I try to understand you. Try to learn 1 hour, 2 hours, and do hard work 9 or 10 hours. Do practice 10 or 9 hours. Learn 1 or 2 hours, and this is the problem we are facing every day. We all want to learn English. We all want to learn English. And everybody asks me, brother, what is the secret to learn English? Please tell me. The secret is hard work, brother. I have nothing to teach you. I have nothing to guide you. I have only one solution: hard work. Hard work and hard work. Without hard work, nothing is possible. Whether you love or not, it's up to you. This kind of video I make for them, those who really want to do something for actually for their life. So I make this kind of video for them. This is my intention, and I know that very well. My video quality is not good. My English speaking quality is not good, but I noticed one thing very clearly. I have some well-wishers, those who want to do something for their life, so they are watching my video, dear brother sister. I want to just actually make video for my practicing, and also I want to inspire those who are beginners, those who want to do something for their life. So I prefer for them those who are really interested in learning English. So this is the thing I try to understand. My dear brothers and sisters, if you like my video, please share on it your Facebook, and thanks for this video. And if you watch my video from actually YouTube, please consider to subscribing my channel, and thanks for watching. All the best.